Let's discuss replacing the Power Sunroof Switch on a Chevy Trailblazer. First thing we're going to do is open up the sunglass compartment, get everything out of here, and then there's two screws up here which we're going to use our T15 Torx driver to remove these screws. Now that we've got these screws removed, we're going to carefully work our way around here. There's two clips on the front of this which we're going to release in order to get it down the rest of the way. So now that we've got this unit down and out of our way, again, I'll use a 90-degree pick to disconnect the electrical connector here. I'm also going to use the pick to relieve two tabs on the side of this unit which hold it into place. Once the tabs have been released and we've got our electrical connection disconnected, we're ready to grab our new switch and install it. We'll plug it in, line up the tabs properly, make sure it's clipped into place, and then we'll realign our tabs up here on the roof, clip those into place, go ahead, install our new screws, and then our new switch will be ready to operate the Power Sunroof.